Dear students, this video class will discuss about the polynomials. Already you have learned in the previous class, in 9th class, about the polynomials. In this video class, we'll discuss about polynomials, degree of the polynomials, types of polynomials, zeros of polynomials, find the zero of the given polynomials, and relationship between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomials and coefficient of a quadratic polynomials. Those topics are new syllabus. According to the National Education Policy, I will discuss this chapter in details in my video classes. So you watch my videos carefully again and again, then you will understand easily. Because our Honorable Prime Minister announced the National Education Policy from this session 2020 to 2021. So start the polynomials. Okay, this is in the class 10th. So I'll discuss about the polynomials in details. What is polynomials? What is polynomials? Okay, first of all write what is polynomials. What is polynomial? Okay, this is a question. So you know this about this. Okay, so power of okay, so power of variable in a algebraic expression is always natural numbers. This algebraic expression is called polynomials. Okay, so few example, take example, the 3x plus 2. The variable is x. This polynomial is the one variable. Always use the x or y. Okay, so this power is 1. Okay, this power is 1. So it is the polynomials. Next 3x square plus 5x plus 2. It is also polynomials because the variable is the x. Okay, power is the natural number 2 and 1. Okay, and 4y minus 3 also the polynomials because is the y, power of the y is one natural number. So it is the r, etc. It is a r polynomials. Okay, are polynomials. Next, the 3x minus 1 minus 2. It is not the polynomials because 3 under root x plus 2 and 1 upon x plus 1 etc. are not polynomials. Are not polynomials. Because their power of the x is minus 1, power of the x is the minus 1 by 2 fraction. This is the power of the minus 1, okay, etc. are not the power. Because the power should be always the natural number, no fraction, no negative. Okay, so these are called the polynomials. So next come the degree of the polynomials. Okay, degree of the polynomials. So okay, so degree of the polynomials, highest power of variable in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomials. So first of all, example, take degree of the examples 3x plus 2. It is polynomials. So its degree is 1. Okay, the greatest power of variable is 1, so degree is. Now you take the example 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Its degree is 2. So this is the degree of the, this is the 2 is the highest power of variable. So variable is here x, so power is the 2. All should be the power of the natural number. Okay. Okay. So 3x square plus 5x plus 2, its degree is 2. And then 4x cube plus 6x square plus 3x plus 2, its degree is 3, because the highest power of variable is 3. So it is the degree of the polynomials. So, okay. So 4x cube plus 6x square plus 3x plus 2, its degree is 3. So pause this video and note down on your copy, carefully discuss, and then come this topic is the type of polynomials. Okay students, the types of polynomials, a polynomials of degree 1 is linear polynomials, a polynomials of degree 2 is quadratic polynomials, and a polynomials of degree 3 is cubic polynomials, and a polynomials of degree 4 is called the biquadratic polynomials. So इसी तरह हम लोग का उसके बाद फिफ्थ polynomials, 6 polynomials is as shown degree. So these are 3x minus 2 is the linear, because the degree is 1. So 2 plus 4 are also the linear. इसी टाइप का इनका डिग्री 1. ओके, जिसका पावर कुछ नहीं लिखा मैंने, 1 हैविंग द, एंड 6x और 5x plus 1, it is the quadratic polynomial because degree is 2, and 3x square minus 5 also the quadratic polynomials because the power of the variable is 2. So this is the quadratic. Now the come to the cubic polynomials. The degree, the highest degree is 3, so the power is 3. So this is the degree is 3. The variable is 3. So it is the cubic. It is also the 3. So you can use the one variable. So you can use the y also, the degree of the polynomials. According to the degree of the polynomials, that give in the name of the different. According to the degree, the name of the polynomials. Okay. So this is the polynomial structure. Already you have learned in the previous class, 9th class. So I discuss about this because details पढ़ने बेटा तब तुम लोग का अंडरस्टैंडिंग पड़ेगा. Pause this video, note down on your copy. Right, student? What are zeros of a polynomials? The values of variable means x in a polynomials are called zeros of a polynomials. जीरो स्पेलिंग तुम लोग का ZEROES भी लिख सकते हैं, ZEROS भी लिख सकते हैं, इससे कोई डाउट नहीं है, दोनों ऑप्शन है बेटा. सो हम लिखा है यहाँ पे जीरो ZEROS. चलो व्हाट आर द जीरोज ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल्स? दिस इज द सिलेबस, एवर न्यू सिलेबस. जीरो फाइंड करोगे. सो द वैल्यूज ऑफ वेरिएबल्स मीन्स एक्स वाई इन ए पॉलिनोमियल्स आर कॉल्ड जीरोज ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल्स. सो zeros depend on, okay student, so zeros depend on the degrees of the polynomials. So number of degree is equal to number of zeros. Okay, this is the most important line. As well as number of degrees is equal to number of the factors of the polynomials. Okay, of the polynomials, and therefore number of the factors is equal to number of the zeros. माने जिसका जितना डिग्री होगा उतना उनका फैक्टर होगा, उतना उनका जीरोस होगा. इसका मीनिंग समझ गए चीज का? सो linear polynomials having one factor, so 1 0, it has the 1 0, so 1 0 means one factor होगा. Okay, there is the quadratic polynomials, it has the two factors, so how many zeros? 2 0. And there is the cubic polynomials having the 3 factors and having the 3 zeros. So now how to find the zero? Okay student, how to find the zeros of a polynomial? This is the most important beta. Zeros find करना है तुम लोग का. And first of all you find the factors of the given polynomial. जो given polynomial तुमको दिया जाएगा उनका factor first of all find करोगे. And then write the value of all factors is 0. Okay, suppose, okay, for example suppose 3x plus minus 2, इसका फैक्टर कितना होगा? लीनियर इक्वेशन, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स. सो इट इज द फैक्टर 1, So then the factor is 3x minus 2 and 1 is the factor, so it has the factors 3x, and then the 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, take the all value, the one factor is having, then 3x equal to 2, and this implies x equal to 2 by 3. This is the 0 of the polynomial. So 0, 1, 0 is 2 by 3. This is the 0. Okay, so 0 is 2 by 3. This is the value of x. Okay. Right students, देखो हमें एक क्वेश्चन लिखा है जो find the how to find the 0. Already first of all find the factor of the given polynomials, then you can write the 0 of the polynomials. So this question देखो find the zeros of the polynomial a. एक है क्वेश्चन लिखा देखो. First of all find this polynomials. This is the quadratic polynomials. So it has two zeros. Okay, means it has two factors. So first of all find the factors. Now write the x square plus 5x plus 6. Now write carefully. Then how to find the quadratics? First of find the 6. 6 is equal to factor 2 multiply 3. And then this symbol use the plus, so 2 plus 3 and get the 5. This is the use in the splitting method factor. Okay, this is called the middle term splitting. So split करोगे x square, now write x square plus now 3x plus 2. By this help this two factor 2x plus 6. Now get the common but share factor. So from these two number given two terms, take the common number x is common, so x plus 3. Now from this plus 2 and with the 2 is the common. Okay, so x plus 3. Okay, there are the two same factor x plus 3. So इसका मतलब है कि तुम्हारा मैथ सही चल रहा है. So now write here, so x plus 3 get and then write the out of the this factor x and this out of the plus 2. These are the two factors. Okay, so then how to write the हम बोला कि जो जितना सा तुम्हारा फैक्टर आएगा उनका ऑल फैक्टर का वैल्यू होगा 0. ओके सर, सो देयर आर द टू फैक्टर्स. यहाँ पे एक फैक्टर, यहाँ पे एक फैक्टर आ गया. So take the value of the 0 this factor. So now write here, now x plus 3 is equal to 0. All factor will be the 0 and also the x plus 2 will be also 0. This is the linear equation. So you can find the value of this implies x equal to minus 3. Okay, next is that this implies x equal to minus 2. There are the two zeros. So minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 and minus 2 are two zeros. Okay, two zeros. समझ गए चीज को? The value of the x is the two zeros. So minus 3 and minus 2 are zeros of the polynomials. So pause this video, note down on your copy. Okay, next question will come here. Today next question. Find the zeros of the polynomials root 3 x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3. Okay, so first of all find the 0. Find kara means factor find karoge and all factor will be the 0 and then get the result x is a value. Now write the factors. Okay, so first of all this coefficient and this coefficient will be the multiply. So get then result equal to 4 into 12. 12 is there and all factor, so get the 2 into 6. This is the main factor. So this sign is plus. So 2 plus, then the 6 plus 2 it get the 8. Okay. Now 8 and the splitting. आज 0 तुम लोग को फाइंड कर सिलेबस में शुद्ध ओनली क्वाड्रिक इक्वेशन और नहीं तो लीनियर क्वाड्रिक पॉलिनोमियल्स नहीं तो लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स में तुमको 0 फाइंड करना है. वो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स को 0 फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि सिलेबस से डिलीट कर दिया. So only is the splitting method. So 8 and then come हम write the minus 6x minus 2x. So replace the minus 8x and get the right hand the minus 6x minus 2x. So you can write here root 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3. Now take the common from these two terms. First two terms take the common. Which number is common? That root 3 is also common, root 3x. So you will get the result is x minus 6 का प्लेस हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते देखो 6 मैंने 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 right. Next write the 2 place and root 3 into root 3 in the place of root 3. फर्स्ट ऑफ द 6 का कैसे हम लोग डिफाइन कर सकते देखो, the 2 into root 3 into root 3. So because the real number 6 has root 3 into root 3 only 3, so you can write. So 6 is, this is the 6 equal to 6 का प्लेस में 2 into 3, इसका प्लेस में हम लोग का 6 का प्लेस में आएगा 2 into 2 3 into 3. So root 3 is common, so the give the result 2 root 3 is here. Okay, now which number is the common? यहाँ पे only -2 कॉमन आएगा, x एंड माइनस कॉमन के लिए प्लस होने से -2 एंड रूट 3. ध्यान रखोगे जो ब्रैकेट में जो लिखा है ये ब्रैकेट में वही आना चाहिए. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, जो कॉमन, दिस इज द कॉमन हो गया. नेक्स्ट x -2 रूट 3 एंड राइट आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस नंबर रूट 3 x -2. Okay, this is the factor. There are the two factors. The two factors will be the 0. Now write here. Now write, you can write x -2 root 3 equal to 0 or and root 3 x -2 equal to 0. Okay. Next we will learn. This implies x equal to, this is the linear equation. So transfer the 2 root 3 on the outside, the right hand side to the right, the 2 root 3. Okay, this implies here x root 3x, okay, equal to 2, and this is the x equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, समझ गया चीज को. चलिए x का वैल्यू विल बी द 0, 2 0. चलिए therefore by hence 2 root 3 and 2 by root 3 are 2 zeros of the zeros are 2 0. Okay, 2 are 2 zeros. Okay, there are the two factors, so 2 factors equal 0 होगा. ठीक है ना बेटा? Right student, so this is the 2 factors having the 2 0, 2 root 3 and 2 by root 3 are 2 0. So you can write also the क्वाड्रिक, माने जैसे रूट स्क्वायर रूट को डिलीट कर सकते हैं बाई इसी टाइप, बट एसएमएस भी कर सकते, नहीं कर सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके, समझ गया चीज को. पॉज दिस वीडियो, नोट डाउन ऑन योर कॉपी. स्टूडेंट्स, this is the most important question, the question number 3. Find the zeros of the polynomials. So you can also the polynomials having the constant. Okay, f of x also लिखा रहता है यहाँ पे, जो f of x equal to 0 इसके बाद. Okay, so you can write also polynomial word भी लिखा सकते हैं, नहीं तो f of x भी लिखा सकते हैं. f of x equal to this is the quadratic polynomials because the degree is 2. So it has 2 factors, so it has 2 zeros. So find the 2 zeros. So how to find? So keep it in mind, already I discussed. Find the factor of the given polynomials. This is given polynomial, quadratic polynomials. So use the splitting. Okay, now there is the coefficient is here. First x is write the x minus a into a plus 1. Okay. First of all, multiply this coefficient of x square, multiply the constant term. So this is the 1 is this number. So you will come here a into a plus 1. Okay, this is the, there are the 2 factor between the head. Okay, first of all माइनस है तो माइनस करके सब्ट्रैक्ट दोनों से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके हमको प्लस एक्स होने से. हाउ टू सब्ट्रैक्ट a plus 1 and get x minus x. जब यहाँ पे यदि इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो हमको x काट देगा यहाँ पे तुम्हारा बैलेंस इसको. सो प्लस एक्स रिप्लेस बाय दिस 2 टर्म्स. राइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस राइट a plus 1 x minus ax. Okay, then minus a into a plus 1. Okay, next common. This step will be, this should be the common from these 2 terms. So take x common, the x plus a plus 1. Next, where is that minus? This minus should be the common. Minus common and a are also shared the 2 terms. So a will be the common and then x and then minus से माइनस से हाथ यहाँ पे रखोगे बेटा. जहाँ पे माइनस तुम कॉमन लिया, ये माइनस दिस माइनस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, माइनस से प्लस एंड गेट द a plus 1. तब यहाँ ध्यान में रखो जो मैथ तुम्हारा सही हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. जब आगे देखिए ये दोनों सेम होगा, यहाँ पे x plus 1 इट इज द करेक्ट. So write the same factor x plus a plus 1, okay, into outside x minus this outside minus a. There are the two factors. So now write here. So all factor will be the 0. Now write x plus a plus 1 equal to 0, and you can write also or भी लिख सकते हैं and भी लिखो and x minus a. Okay, so equal to 0. Okay, all factor will be the 0. ध्यान में रखो बेटा, 0 means 0 होगा, factor 0 होगा. Okay, then this implies x equal to and transpose to the right hand a and plus 1. So minus a 10 and minus 1. Now write this implies x equal to minus is common a plus 1 you can write. Then here this implies x left hand and minus a transpose to the right hand, it will be the a. Okay, there are the two factors. Okay, they are the value of the 2x, they are the two zeros, therefore two zeros are कौन कौन जीरो होगा तुम बोलो तो देखो, ये भी इस टाइप का आंसर लिखा था हम, दिस अदर टू जीरो लिख सकते हैं, but first we will write the two zeros are minus a plus 1 and a. This is the answer. Okay beta, so this is the pause this video, note down on your copy, this is the most important beta. Okay student, find the I think everybody has understood. You can find the zeros of the given polynomials easily. Rule apply करोगे, first of all find the factor and then all factor will be the 0 and all of the 0 मैंने linear equation, दो linear equation create हो जाएगा. linear से x का value find करोगे and then x का value, the value of the x will be the 0 of the polynomials. So next class, this is the most important, next video class I will discuss the relationship between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomials. This is the syllabus, new syllabus. Okay, thank you. I'll meet you in the next video class. Students, this is the most type of the question that find the zeros of polynomials y square minus y. Already I am all question the x square use the variable. So is the variable is y. So now write the zeros. First of all factor find the y square minus 5. So you will use the a square minus b square formula. It is not the three terms. Okay, there are two terms. It is the quadratic polynomials, but it is not the three terms. So you can use the a square minus b square का formula. Okay, it has the a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the factor formula. This identity use. So first of all write the fully square, y का square, and then 5, which number of the square of the get the 5. So under root 5 is square or under root 5 is get the 5. So real number का जो हम मेरा वीडियो रियल वीडियो वाला देखो, रियल नंबर वीडियो देखो तब अंडरस्टैंड नहीं पाओगे. ओके, 9th क्लास का व्यूज. देन द a the y's take the a हिसाब से लाओगे. इट हैज आल्सो द ब्रैकेट यूज इज का. ओके, तो a and b is the, so is small side a and small side b. Now write a plus b and लिखोगे out y plus under root 5. Okay, next y minus a minus b y minus under root 5. There are two factors. Okay, now write here. Now write here y plus root 5 is equal to 0 and also y minus root 5 is equal to 0. Okay, then value this implies y. This is the linear equation. It is also linear equation. There create the two equation, linear equation. So y equal to transpose, so minus root 5. Okay, minus root 5, and this implies y equal to opposite plus root 5. So minus root 5 and by hence therefore करके लिख सकते हैं and okay, the root 5 are two zeros. Okay, this is the type answer. लिखोगे write the answer ending of the. So now the next video class I will discuss about the relationship between two zeros and coefficient, okay, of a quadratic polynomial. So this is the zeros फाइन होगा तो हम लोग का आसानी से भी सीख जाओगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास में बहुत जल्दी सीख जाओगे. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.